Chapter 1. Exercise 1.3 till question number B5 I taught you in the last class. Before we will start question number 6, two more concepts. How to judge one rational number, whether it will give you terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. For that, please remember, if the denominator of a rational number has factors of 2 or 5 or both of them, then it will give you always terminating decimal. Whereas if the denominator of a rational number has factors other than 2 or 5, then it will be giving you non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Please remember this. Even for future also you need. Say example 1 by 20. 20 factor you can find out. 1 by 2 to 5. Since denominator has only 2 and 5, it will give you definitely terminating decimal. You can divide and you can check also. Whereas 1 by 6, 6 factor will be 2, 3. Since downside other than 2 and 5, one extra number is coming, 3. That's why it will be giving you non-terminating repeating decimal. Division I have shown. First one, please check. 1 divided by 20. Decimal 0, not going. 0, 0. 25 is a 100. It is your terminating decimal because division gets over. But in second example, divide 1 by 6. 6 ones are divide 1 by 6. So decimal, put it 0. 6 ones are 6. 4 0 40. 6 6 is 36. 4 0 40. 6 is 36. Goes on. So that is your non-terminating repeating decimal because 6 is repeated number here. So without doing division, by this way, you can check whether the respective rational number will give you terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. How to check? Once more, if the denominator has factors of 2 or 5 or both, then it will give you terminating decimal. And if other than 2 and 5, any extra number is coming, then it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now, question number B6, exercise 1.3. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of P by Q, where P, Q are integers with no common factor other than 1. And this will have terminating decimal expansion. So can you guess what property Q must satisfy? Q means denominator. They're asking what will be the property of Q if it will give you terminating. Already you have learned that the prime factorization of Q, that is denominator, has only powers of 2 or powers of 5 or both. That means whenever denominators are having 2 or 5 or both, it will give you terminating decimal. So your answer will be this. Question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means non-repeating. Any example you can write, but make sure that number should not be repeated. So non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansions are, we are following one system. Say 0.120, 1200, 12000, ... Numbers are not repeated. 0.150, 1500, 15000, so and so. 0.170, 1700, 17000, ... One format I have used to write 3 examples of non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. You can follow any other example also, but make sure that numbers should not be repeated. But when you will follow like this, some criteria, some idea, knowledge, it will be helpful for you. So please take care of this. Go to question number 8. Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So take it 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Divide 5 by 7. Continue the division till repetition comes. So we are getting 0.714285. After that again repetition will come. That means this is the repeated block. So 5 by 7 equals to 0.714285 bar. Divide 9 by 11 and continue. We are getting 0.81 bar. Check the first 2 digits. Here 71, here 81. So from 71 to 81, whatever numbers are there, from that if you can make non-terminating, non-repeating decimals, then you can get 3 different irrational numbers which will lie between them. So answer, 3 irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 are, between 71 to 81 is my target. So I made like this, 0.720, 7200, 72000, ... 0.750, 7500, 75000 dot dot 0.790, 7900, 79000 dot dot. So one format I have used, but 71 to 81 in between. Now example 10, page number 14. Find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. 1 by 7. Divide 1 by 7 and continue till repetition comes. You will be getting 142857 after decimal. That is your repeating block. So 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. And divide 2 by 7, you will be getting this. That is 0.285714 bar. Now between them only one irrational number we need. So between 0.14 and 0.28. 15 onwards till 27 you can follow. And any number you can make as a non-terminating, non-repeating. So an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 is 0. I made 170, 1700, 17000 dot dot dot. One more question for today. Exercise 1.3, question number 9. Classify the following numbers as rational and irrational. Rational or irrational. First one, root 23. Root is not going. So purely it is irrational number. Second one, root 225. Find the factors. Under root, two same number means outside one number. You are getting 15. Without root. So it becomes rational. This is your terminating decimal. And you know that terminating decimal we can make it rational number. This is your non-terminating repeating decimal. Because 478 is the repeated number and it goes on. So this is also rational number. This is your non-terminating non-repeating decimal. This is purely irrational number. With this I will conclude today. Bye.